Hi students, in this particular chapter electrostatics, which is the 8th chapter of physics from Maharashtra State Board, we are learning today in this particular lecture concept of electric field and concept of electric field intensity. So before that we should know what is electrostatics. So here you can see electrostatics is the branch of physics which deals with the study of electrostatics is the branch of physics which deals with the study of charges at rest. Now here if you divide this electrostatics into two parts, then it is electro plus statics, and electro means charges and statics means at rest. Okay, so statics means at rest. So we can say here this is a branch of physics which deals with the charges which are at rest. Okay, now in this particular lecture we are going to discuss the concept of electric field. So electric field. Before that you should know the types of charges. How many types of charges you know? In general we know the positive charge. Let us consider that charge is Q, and negative charge. Again that negative charge is also Q we are considering. Now what is electric field that we are going to discuss here? Suppose this charge is there. We know if any type of charge is there, there is a field around it. So that particular field is known as electric field. Now let us consider a small charge, test charge Q0 here. Okay, at a finite distance from plus Q. What will happen to this? Yes, there will be a repulsion between them. But as we know the strength of Q0 is less, this get repelled by the charge Q in this direction. Similarly, it means that Q0 is experiencing some force and repelled here away from the positive charge. If the test charge is kept here near to it, what will happen? It will get repelled again in this direction. If it is kept here somewhere, it will get repelled in this way. Anywhere around the charge Q, if it is kept, then it will go away from it. And we are showing this is the repulsive force, or this is the direction in which the test charge is going, or test charge is following these paths. Now suppose this test charge I am keeping somewhere here at infinite distance. At infinite distance I am keeping. What will happen to this? Nothing will happen. Yes. Why? Because now it is not in the field of the Q. It means that there is a finite space around the charge Q. In that surrounding space, if the test charge is kept, then only it experiences the force of repulsion. Are you getting? So if away from that particular area, if the charge is kept, then it will not experience any type of force. Okay, so this finite surrounding space is known as electric field. And so we are showing, suppose around this much area we can show. If the test charge is kept in this area, then only it will experience some force, and this surrounding space is known as electric field. Same like here also, similarly with the negative charge also it will happen. Now again, if I'll put here the test charge we are taking always positive. So if the test charge is kept here, it will attract towards it. Here somewhere if I am putting, it will attract like this. Here if I am putting, it will attract like this, like this, like this, and like this. So anywhere in the surrounding space of negative charge, if I am putting the test charge, then it experiences some force. That particular region or that particular space around the charge Q, here it is negative Q, is known as the electric field. So electric field is nothing but the surrounding space, okay, of the charge, either it is positive or it is negative. The surrounding space of the charge in which if the particular test charge is kept, then it experiences some force of attraction or repulsion, depends upon the nature of the charge, okay, and this is known as electric field. Okay, the surrounding space in which if the Q charge, test charge Q0 is kept, then it should experience some force. Then only we can say it is a electric field of that particular Q charge. Here if the test charge is experiencing some force of attraction, then we can say there is a field around it of this test charge, the charge Q. Are you getting the idea? So surrounding space is there of the particular charge, and either it is positive or it is negative. There is a surrounding space in which if another charge is kept, it experiences some force of attraction or repulsion, depends upon the nature of the charge. So we can write now here the definition of electric field. So electric field, in our case we can discuss as electric field is the space around the charge, that is in this case we are considering charge Q. So electric field is a space around the charge Q in which when the another charge say let us consider here that is charge Q0 is kept, it experiences, it means the test charge experiences the force of attraction or a repulsion force of attraction or repulsion depends the nature of of the charge Q. Are you getting this idea or concept of electric field? Now, what is concept of electric field intensity? Electric field is nothing but the space around it. So it is a scalar quantity. It is only the space around it. It has no direction. But now, if we are considering here this test charge somewhere here, and the force of repulsion will be there. It will experiences some force, and if the same charge discharge is kept here somewhere, it will again experience some force, isn't it? But the force near to the charge Q is more compared to this charge when it is kept away from it. It means that if you are keeping the test charge away from the charge Q, then the force experienced by the Q0 is less, and if it is near to the charge Q, then it is more and more. So now we are discussing the direction, near or far, isn't it? So that time it is nothing but the electric field intensity. Electric field intensity is nothing but now the strength of the force of attraction or repulsion between the charge and discharge. Okay, so what is electric field intensity? Electric field intensity is the strength of the electric field, and so it is a vector quantity and denoted by the letter E vector. So are you getting? So electric field is only the space, and if you are finding the strength of electric field, then it becomes electric field intensity and given by the letter E vector. Today in this chapter, in this lecture, we will finish up to this. In this next lecture, we will start with the electric lines of forces, concept of electric lines of forces, and its property. Till that time, have a nice day. Thank you.